Omega, beginning and the end.
Hi guys! I already did my makeup today again. It's just a simple look that I have done previously. Today's agenda is we will be going to a family friend's house para drop off yung mga ipapadala sa mama ni Pag-ibig na nasa Paris. Let me share with you na lang what's in my bag. So, ito yung gagamitin nating bag for this very quick errand day. And this is from Tommy Hilfiger and maliit lang siya. Super liit lang niya. Super handy niya tong bag na to. So, the first thing I have is my coin purse. Ang cute. You can see that. So, malaking tulong yung mga coins when you're parking, ganyan. Yes. When you're parking or when you're buying mga small stuff, ganon. Meron siyang compartment dito. This area over here. So, dyan ko na nilagay yung aking mga wallet. I mean, yun na yung ginawa ko. Yun na yung ginawa kong wallet. So, I got my cards, my IDs, and my cash. Yan lang siya. Para hindi na ako mahirapan. May mga basura pa tayo from previous ganap nung nagpa-check up si mama. Ito na yung bag na dinala ko. So, I have the bus tickets, some random paper na itatapon na natin. And then, I also bring tissue. I have my pan-touch up na lipstick. Ito yung lipstick na gamit ko today. So, ang ginagawa ko lang dito is para hindi siya masyadong in your face because it's too red. Yan. So, I just did it. Tap, tap, tap. To retouch. Ganon. And last two items, I got my parang inspired scent ata to. Pag-ibig bought this and gave this to me. It's from Symmetry Lab Perfumes or Parfum. It's the Ecstatic Rouge. Mabango siya. Kaamoy niya in cloud. So, ni Ariana Grande. So, I love that. And the last one is my umbrella. Small umbrella because pwedeng umulan. Importante na meron kang umbrella. And sobrang cool kasi kasya yung umbrella ko dito. Kahit maliit lang yung bag. That's why I love this bag so much. Kasi kahit small siya, marami siyang malalagay. And also, my phone, I'll be bringing that as well. And this microphone, para if ever I need to vlog, then madadala ko kayo, makakausap ko kayo. Ayun lang. God's message for today.
Ramen, beef ramen.
Some matcha, my favorite. Anong pangalan? Mr. Tentacles.
Yan, mainit. O yun na. Tama. Cheat. Sarap.
The ramen.
Diba?
Parang ang labsak ng ulo.
Ayun.
Mungul dyan. Sarap. Egg tarts Manila.
Ayan, box of 6 cones. Check.
So baba. Got the goods. Good minis. Finally home. Let's do a taste test nitong Egg Tarts Manila. Medyo bawas na because I gave some sa ating family members for pasalubong. May Bible verse! Hala, ang saya! This is the Bible verse. Ephesians chapter 2, 8 to 9. Hala, I'm gonna support Egg Tarts na. For it is by grace we have been saved through faith, and this is not from yourselves. It is the gift of God, not by works, so that no one can boast. That's a great surprise. Hala. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's taste it. Ito yung kanilang 12 mini tarts at it cost 300. How much, Dad? 390. Tapos, meron silang premium tarts. 'Di ba? Pinakita ko sa inyo dun sa clip. Iba't iba nilang flavor. And interesting yon. I haven't tried any other flavor ng tarts, ng egg tarts or tarts. So, yon. Ayan. So, this is how the mini looks like. Ganito siya ka-small. So, kung ito yung aking palm. Ay! Sorry. Yan. Ganon. And then, yung kapal niya, ganyan siya. Okay. Let's see. Ang pinaka natikman ko pa lang na sobrang sarap na egg tart ay from Stone na egg tart sa Binondo. Sobrang sarap nun. So, eto na. Tikman na natin. This is even really good. One more. Mm. Masarap. Mas matamis siya. And I think mas creamy si Lord's to. Pero masarap pa din. Because it's egg tart. Yummy. If you haven't tried Egg Tarts Manila and they even give you Bible verses sa kanilang lalagyan, amazing. Try it.